Hello everyone, this is the random channel Eli here, and today this is going to be a video of this 52-inch Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan at my uncle's house. We installed this fan last year, and it's at a rental property. There's the light, and start the fan on low. Oh yeah, everybody, that fan is noisy. Oh yeah, I can hear the hum and buzz already. Well, here's a tip for you. It's called tightening all the screws, especially with the light shades, and then you won't hear the buzz. It has no set screw on it, so it's free to roam around. And yeah, this fan is silent. I don't hear nothing. There is a Hampton Bay Quick Connect upstairs, and it's going in that room real soon, so I'll make an update video of that real soon. So like I said, this fan is very quiet and I can feel some air from it. And these fans, they're not noisy. Just make sure those screws are tightened, and that's all. Other than that, this fan is really quiet. And I'm not going to do the 3 speeds on reverse either. Alright, this is the video of the 52-inch Hampton Bay Landmark 3 Plus ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.